In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate the Codarab Pay plugin on your WooCommerce website. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins area of your site. From there, install the Codarab Pay plugin and activate it. This is the foundation of the setup, because the plugin is what connects your WooCommerce store to the payment gateway and allows you to accept card payments directly at checkout. Before moving into the payment settings, make sure your PayPal account is active and properly connected to the plugin. This part is very important. If the account is not fully active, or if the connection is incomplete, card payments may fail or not appear correctly during checkout. Take a moment to verify that your PayPal account is in good standing and ready to process live or test transactions as needed. Once that is confirmed, open the Codarab payment settings inside WordPress. You can usually find these settings within WooCommerce under the Payments section, where installed gateways are listed. Select Codarab Pay so you can begin configuring how the gateway works on your site. Next, configure the card payment gateway using your legitimate PayPal API connection. Be careful here and make sure you are using valid credentials from the correct PayPal environment. If you are testing, use the approved test environment credentials. If you are preparing for real transactions, use your live connection details. Using the wrong environment is a common reason for setup issues, so it is worth double-checking before moving on. As you continue, keep 3D Secure or OTP verification enabled whenever the card issuer or payment processor requires it. This security layer helps protect transactions and can also reduce the chance of declined payments caused by missing authentication. In many cases, this is not just recommended, but necessary for compliance and smoother payment processing. After that, enable the supported card payment options for your checkout. This determines which eligible card methods customers will be able to use when placing orders on your store. Make sure the options you enable match what your connected account and gateway configuration support. When everything looks correct, save the settings. This applies your configuration and makes the gateway ready for testing or use on your storefront. Now use the gateway's approved testing environment to run a test card transaction. This step helps you confirm that the checkout experience is working as expected before customers begin using it. Finally, confirm that the payment is recorded correctly and that the WooCommerce order status updates properly. A successful test should show both a completed payment flow and the correct order behavior inside your store. Once that checks out, your Codarab Pay setup is ready to go.